Have you ever struggled with when you need to make a miter cut just like this, getting the angles nice and perfect, but not having anything to actually clamp that together? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make a mitered corner 90-degree clamp using just a couple of blocks of MDF, used plywood, whatever it is. This is 3/4 inch. We're going to make this thing 1.5 inches thick. Let me show you how it's done. Well, I hope this video was helpful to you. As you can see, when I was making my cuts on here, I made a few small mistakes, some overcuts with my table saw, but that's no big deal. I had to trim some extra off. But what matters is that we're 90 here, and then we are 90 here on the inside. And just by doing that, we can put our miters together, put the inside piece on like that, and clamp it into place. This here is the equivalent of some clamps that you can buy in the store for about $50 or $60, but you can make this at home just by using some extra parts that you had and a quick clamp like that. It's nice and easy. Thanks so much for tuning into our video. Don't forget to smash that like button and click subscribe on the bottom there. And don't forget to click on the bell icon also, so that way you get notified about any new videos we have up and coming. All right, we'll see you next time.